Withdrawing funds held by Yahoo Mail can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you navigate through it. Step 1. Log into your Yahoo Mail account. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Yahoo Mail website. Enter your email address and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access the Payment or Wallet section. Once logged in, look for the Payment or Wallet section within your Yahoo Mail account. This is typically found in the Settings or Account Management area. Step 3. Review available funds. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Select Withdrawal Method. Choose your preferred withdrawal method. This could include options like transferring to a bank account, PayPal, or other payment services. Follow the prompts to select and confirm your method. Step 5. Confirm and complete the withdrawal. Finally, review all the details of your withdrawal request, including the amount and method. Confirm the transaction to complete the withdrawal process. You should receive a notification once the funds have been successfully transferred. By following these steps, you can easily withdraw funds from your Yahoo Mail account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Yahoo support for assistance.